Hi, my name is John Grzan, and I'm the owner of Zippswitch products. We have an extreme duty mat, which is a little bit thicker, but has the same Zippswitch technology inside, which is used for heavy duty and extreme duty applications. Basically, our switch mats have full activation across the entire surface, very sensitive, activated at around 10 pounds. Our accessories, which comes standard with the mat, that would come ready to install with mounting grommets, is a high visibility ramped edge or a plain black edge or an aluminum ramped edge. Now we're going to do a series of tests on our extreme duty mat to show you how durable the mat really is. Okay, now we're going to do a test with our extreme duty mat with an axe. So we're going to basically just hit the switch mat with the axe a few times to show the durability of it. So we have full activation, very sensitive across the entire surface, no dead spots. So now we're going to take the axe and we're going to strike the mat. So you can see the surface got marred a little bit, but it didn't penetrate through the top of the mat. So, and we still get excellent sensitivity. Okay, so the next test we're going to perform is dropping standard bricks on the mat. But with this test, what we're going to do is we're going to try to aim to get the corner to actually hit the mat. Okay, so I'm going to drop this brick on the corner, and now I'm going to take another brick, and I'm going to just throw bricks at the mat at this point. Okay, so basically we see the surface of the mat definitely got hit with the brick. You know, some of the bricks broke, but you know, it's a pretty extreme test doing this with the bricks. So the next test we're going to do is we're going to drop some cinder blocks on this. So, and again, we're going to try to aim to get the corner of the cinder block to hit the mat. So just to show you that the mat's still working, still sensitive across the entire surface. And now we'll get to the cinder blocks. Okay, now the next test we're doing is the cinder block dropping test. So basically I'm going to pick up the cinder block and I'm going to try to drop it on one of the corners to get the most extreme type of impact. So here we go. What I'm going to do, it's buzzing because it's got the concrete on it, but I'm just going to drop another one. I'm going to clear this stuff away. And you can see You can see that the switch mat's working fine. 2 cinder blocks on it. It's been hit with bricks. It's been hit with an axe. So the next test we're going to do is we're going to take a 10-foot 2-inch pipe, and we're going to basically smash the pipe into the switch mat. And we're just going to drive it into it and see what happens. For this next test, what we're going to do is take this 10-foot pipe and smash it into the switch mat. This is a 2-inch round pipe. It's heavy. And I'm just going to drop it right into the mat. And you can see that the switch mat activates when the pipe hits it, and when I remove it, it obviously means that the mat is still switching. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse the pipe. On the other end, I have a 1/4-inch diameter end point that we're going to also drive into the mat. So here we go. I'm going to get a little higher. This is about as high as I can go without falling. Okay, now that we've finished up this 10-foot pipe test, you can see that the surface of the mat does have some deformity in it from the 1/4-inch part of the pipe. You can see that that there's holes that did penetrate, but it didn't actually go through the surface. And we still get full activation across the mat. So this extreme test does show that the mat can handle some extreme environments and conditions that would be destructive to the switch mat, but this obviously still works, and the design is sound, and we stand by all of our products. Thank you very much. For more information on our switch mats and our other switching products, check out Zippswitch.com.